bagay bro.
You see, them like, you see.
Gen krete we.
By yourself this time. What are you using? No, that one? No, that's the only thing. Oh. Okay, casual. Battery.
Hey guys, today I am going to share with you my experience as a bridesmaid. This is the style of dress that we wore. I still have it on the hanger and it's super cute and it says my name on it. And of course it's dirty now because the day's over with. But yeah, I have food on it. This is the wig that I actually wore the day of. It still has the curls and everything. Here it is. I think it's... This is the hair that I was telling you guys about. The hair is a 360 frontal and it's a 10-inch. And of course, it's actually, it looks longer on the mannequin, but on my head it looks shorter because I have a bigger head. Meaning your hair is ugly. Thanks, Mom. Okay, let me try to remember the day. It went by super fast. Like I didn't have enough time to like capture and remember the moment because it went by super fast. It was raining, like freezing rain type weather, and overall it was a good experience for my first time. I've never been a bridesmaid before, and my cousin got us these robes. The bride was wearing white, a white one, and the maid of honor. I really like this hair because it's really full, and I like the texture of it, so I'm definitely gonna make another one, but longer. All my friends are living either out of state or I only really have one married friend, so I haven't had the opportunity to be a bridesmaid before, but now that my dad is getting married, I was allowed to be part of the wedding. Anyway, I'm losing my voice. Okay, so this is the shoe that I wore. It was silver. Everybody was wearing silver and blue, and everybody had some sort of white because that was the color of the wedding. I really liked them. They were cute, but super hurtful, and I couldn't keep them up the whole wedding. I almost fell. Okay, so we all know my ears are not pierced, so I purchased this super duper cute chandelier earrings, and I thought they were perfect to go with my short hair. I like them. They're super super cute. I didn't want to wear a necklace, so I bought these uh this bracelet to go with my clip-on earrings. They were royal blue and silver. It went really well with my dress and the wedding theme.